everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of Baingan Ka Bharta. Baingan, which is also known as eggplant or brinjal. So I'm taking two brinjals and I'm going to put on the stove and let it burn the skin, and when the skin will burn I'll just take off, like I'll peel off the skin, and if you want you can wash after peeling off the skin, but I'm not going to wash after. I've washed already before I before I burn the skin. And then cut the eggplant like in small pieces, or you can mash it, whatever easy for you. I'm going to cut it and keep it aside. And on the other hand, I'm heating up the pan for cooking, and then I add oil. When the oil heat up, then add Zeera, 1 spoon of Zeera, which is cumin seed. And then add onions. Onions are thinly sliced, and those are 2 big onions. Mix well and let it cook until it get light brown or dark brown, the way you want. But when it turns golden brown, then add fresh garlic. Stir well and cook for about a minute, and then add 3 chopped tomatoes and 1 capsicum. You can use any other capsicum. I am using the light green capsicum, or you can skip the capsicum, it's okay. And then add spices. Add salt per taste. I have added 1 spoon of salt, 1 full spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of red crushed pepper, and 1 spoon of haldi, which is known as turmeric. Dhania Zeera powder, means coriander powder, 1 full spoon. Stir well and let it cook until the oil gets separated or the tomatoes well cooked. And then add half cup of green peas. I have the frozen one. If you have the fresh one, add the fresh green peas. After 2 minutes of cooking the green peas, I'm adding the baingan, and then stir well. Cook for around 15 minutes on medium to low flame. And after 15 minutes, add whole coriander. And I'm adding the cilantro stems. I will add the cilantro leaves later. And fresh lemon juice. I have the big 1 lemon, and I have just took the juice out and add 1 lemon juice. And now at the end, I'm giving the charcoal dum. So burn the charcoal and then place on the aluminium foil and pour some drop of oil on the charcoal and cover the lid tightly and let it simmer for around 6 to 7 minutes. And that's it, ready to serve. That's how it looks. Enjoy with naan or chapati, whatever the way you like. All like this recipe, and if you have any questions, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so much for watching.